If you don't have a sales funnel in your business, you're leaking profits, period. Think about this. How many potential customers visit your website or interact with your content every single day and then just leave? No follow up, no sale, no chance to win them back. It's like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. Sound familiar? I know how frustrating it is. You're hustling hard, putting in the hours, creating content, running ads, and still your revenue feels like a roller coaster, up one day, down the next. That's exactly where I was until I discovered the power of a sales funnel. Imagine this. In just 1 week, with the right funnel in place, I made $4,000. That's the kind of predictability every business needs. But here's the kicker. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a system that works for you while you focus on what you do best. So what's the secret to stopping those leaks? A well-designed sales funnel. And today I'm going to share with you 3 steps to building one that brings in consistent profits. Step 1, capture the leads. Start with a lead capture page. This is where you collect emails in exchange for something valuable, like a free guide, a cheat sheet, or a resource that your audience craves. Add a tripwire, a small irresistible offer to build trust to cover your costs right out the gate for advertising. Step 2 is create a no-brainer offer. Your offer needs to be a solution to a real problem that your audience faces. But don't stop there. Stack the value. Bonuses, extras, and exclusives can make your offer too good to pass up. Step 3, drive consistent traffic. A funnel without traffic is like a car without gas. Use Facebook ads or any other ad platform to bring people in and track everything with a pixel. This helps you optimize and bring down your ad costs over time. Your business doesn't have to leak profits anymore. Set up your funnel and watch how it transforms everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more no nonsense business tips. See you in the next video. Talk soon.